Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to make no refined sugar, healthy banana bread. It's going to taste amazing and it's healthy as well, so we hope you enjoy. To begin, we're going to mash 3 medium bananas. Let's mix in a ½ cup of melted butter. This is unsalted butter. And we're going to crack in 1 egg as well. We're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a ½ cup of honey, and a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Please hit the subscribe button to help us get to 500 subscribers by the end of the summer. Thanks. Let's give this a mix. We're now going to add in 1½ cups of oat flour, a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a sprinkle of salt. Let's whisk it up. Let's spray our loaf pan with some coconut oil or olive oil and dust it with some oat flour. Let's pour our batter into our pan. Let's bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed making this healthy banana bread. It's a much healthier variation to regular banana bread, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.